slide through. Catching all this smoke like I roll too. Cause you know that they be hating too. But we just keep on building up, we bulletproof, yeah.
What up? Carlos, Josh, y'all know the deal. Alright, so today we got the Subi. Carlos, take over.
Subaru needs oil change, needs tire rotation, needs a smoke test, because we ain't really know where the boost leak coming from, but there's a boost leak.
If you need a smoke tester, Amazon. They got it. It's kind of expensive.
We gonna smoke this shit like it's some bees, but we gonna figure out where the leak is because homeboy can't hit boost past
facts.
18 pounds, and we ain't about that slow. You know what I mean? So
big facts. And then on top of that, since I can't go past 18 pounds, my tuner won't tune the car. If he's not gonna tune the car, we'll forever be slow. And I'm tired of driving on pump gas, and I want E85 because pump gas is too expensive. So we're gonna boost leak test the car. We're gonna take the bumper off to see if maybe I'm leaking through the intercooler or something. I don't know. Or maybe the wastegates are broken. Maybe, who knows. So we're gonna get to work, put the car on jack stands, take the bumper off. Yeah.
yo, that's actually too expensive. Yo, Biden, do something.
Yo, facts, Biden. Come on, Papa Biden.
Yo, so we found the smoke tester. So we will be smoke testing the vacuum system to see if there's any leaks, because homeboy can't get his ass in the boost, so he's slow as shit right now. You know what I'm saying? Taking off the bumper. We don't want to use wood blocks. Boy, look at that head.
Look like a big Buford.
Lit. It's off. Almost. Gotta disconnect them wires. Don't forget to disconnect them wires. You will f your shit up. I'd try it one-handed, but I'd probably rip that shit out.
Yeah, but you should.
So I'm gonna let you do it. Rolly gang, rolly gang, rolly gang. Range Brothers. We're not the Waynes.
What are we then?
Roll Brigade, Roll Brigade, Roll Brigade.
What was that from?
It's from that Baby Keem song, one with Kendrick.
Oh.
I forgot what it's called. It's, I don't know. It's in my phone. I like that song, though. It's hard.
Oh, shit away.
Oh, shit. Oh. I got 2 stands, one for the front, one for the back. Oh, you got 2 what? You got 2 what? You're on 4K HD. Low key, you look like a silhouette right now, so no one would know who the f you are.
I feel like a dog. I feel like a wet dog.
Jacking it up in the morning.
You a fucking folk singer?
My baby don't love me no more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink some moonshine and ride my big old tractor. And then we'll fix the Subaru.
Real moonshine is good.
Yeah, because you know why? Because it hit so hard that you don't remember what you were doing right before you took it.
Yeah, facts. I remember, like, when I lived in North Carolina, we drank moonshine. I ain't go to class.
It's like some Paul Bunyan
Yo, straight up.
like you look like you're hammering some because of the pole, and then we talking about moonshine, so you know. Getting them wheels off. Woo. It's like Talladega Nights.
Yeah, I need that.
Time to switch.
Maybe the rotors are warped from brake boosting so much.
Maybe. STI.
ST slow. Rex.
Finally decided to clean the rims on my car yesterday. Paint still looks like shit, but the rims look good though. Yes, sir.
Well, what I need to do is swap. I need to flip the tires. So look how much wear that shit got.
Yeah, it's pretty worn down. Ponle aro, conle aro. Yeah. We cleaning the rims now just because they're off, so you know.
Stupid shit.
But yeah. He's thinking about selling these, so if any of y'all interested, they're gonna be posted up probably in like the next week. So keep an eyeball out. Yo, so we doing the oil change now. But I guess he doing the oil change now.
I don't even know where my 17 is.
You lost your 17? About a smoke test. We gonna figure it out. We gonna find where it's hiding.
Will we?
I don't know. Probably not.
Probably not.
I like it doesn't make sense because it's gotta have a boost leak, but at the same time, I don't know where the boost leak would be coming from. Yo, just know I just real time bleeped myself out. Because I thought right as I was doing it, like, man, I don't want to have to edit 1,000 sounds into this. So I just, of course, I just, you know, then I just cursed just now when I said that.
Alright, so we've done the oil change. We got the wheels off. We washed them as you seen in the previous clip. So now I've got my little contraption set up. It's hooked up to power. We got my switch. I got my air compressor ready.
We got a big break.
Yeah, because I'm not going to lie. The last time I did this, that cap came off and smacked me in the face. And I'm not trying to do that again because that crap hurt. Alright, so brick on. We're going to throw some air into it, see where the smoke comes out, and see if we got any boost leaks. If we don't got any boost leaks, the only thing I could think of that's causing me not to make boost is my wastegates are probably bad. So I just have to invest in getting some new wastegates. Only reason why I'm thinking that is because one of my friends kind of had the same issue and he had to change his wastegates. I'm hoping I don't gotta change my wastegates. I know I probably have to change my wastegates, but ain't nobody trying to drop $1,000 on 2 wastegates because wastegates used to be cheap and now they're expensive. So Turbo Smart, lower your prices because we trying to go fast, damn it. So yeah, so let's get to work.
Yo, what was that noise?
I don't know, but
The pro level of concentration. What the
action. Alright, so we did our smoke test. Couldn't really see anything where smoke was leaking out from. The only place smoke is coming out from, which is what I suspected, was the wastegate area. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to replace the wastegates because there's no smoke coming out of the intake or any of the vacuum lines going into the intake. None of the vacuum lines going into the wastegates. So nothing coming out of the intercooler piping. So I don't know. So I guess I'm just gonna have to thug it out and spend the money on some wastegates and see if that fixes the problem so we can finish tuning. But for now, we're just gonna finish up what we started. Finish rotating the wheels, put the intake back on, put the front bumper back on, and get back to driving because that's all this car could do these days. Can't even go into boost, which sucks, but hey, it is what it is. You feel me? So, yeah, so we'll pick up the camera, I guess, when the wheels are back on the car and the car's going back on the floor, and yeah.
We'll hit y'all back when this is on the ground.
Backs. Alright. Car's on the floor. Car go vroom, 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 wham. Alright, but serious note though. Car's on the floor. Wheels are on. Tire rotation's done. Oil change is done. Make sure you do your oil change whenever you need to.
That was black.
Yeah, that's black. I was like 600 miles over only because I did not have time to do it. But oil change is finally done. Boost leak issue. We're going to go drive it. See if we can make the correct pounds that my tuner's requesting from the Mac valve. If I don't get the correct boost settings that I'm supposed to be seeing, I'm just gonna suck it up and just buy some new wastegates, which honestly I think the car needs. But besides that, everything's good. Car's buttoned up, and have fun. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all later. Yeah, Mona Lisa, baby. Woo!